Fingerprint comparison and marking. The coincidence of the ridge characteristics in their relative position is a sure and conclusive evidence of identity. A fingerprint expert is asked to compare the quotient fingerprints with the admitted specimen fingerprints or the chance prints found at the scene of crime with the inked specimen prints. This is usually done by introducing into evidence the enlarged photographs of the finger impressions to show the identical ridge characteristics. The expert often prepares charts to visually aid the court in understanding the nature of his testimony. Salient features of marking. Marking of points is to be done with red projected lines. The red lines are to be drawn from the characteristics to the border of each print with numbers at the end of each line. It is better to select a most important characteristics as number 1 and continue to number others in clockwise or anti-clockwise directions on the quotient print. And the same characteristics would be selected and numbered on the specimen print. A straight line should be drawn with the help of a ruler. No lines should cross each other. 8 identical points are to be marked in their relative position. In the court of law, 3 times enlargement of a print is presented for the convenience of the honorable judge. Specimen and disputed prints are pasted side by side for displaying marking of identical points. While drawing a straight line, the point should not be disturbed. Any chart prepared must be technically correct, that is, the corresponding ridge characteristics in the 2 prints must be similarly numbered and indicated. The chart will present a cleaner, neater and more pleasing appearance if it is numbered clockwise and the numbers are evenly spaced. The upper side of the print is marked as north direction. Care should be taken to draw the line exactly to the characteristic points, not short of it, beyond it or obscuring it. Problems in comparison. On many occasions, the print available will not be easy for comparison due to the following reasons: faint print, smudged print, fragmentary print, partial print, superimposed print, fingerprint on revenue stamp. By gaining experience in the field of fingerprints, these problems can be solved by adopting various methods. When the print is very faint, it is best lighted from one side at an angle of a very few degrees from the plane of the print. Smudged prints are photographed under transmitted light by soaking the paper with the print in toluene, xylene or anisole. Even in worst condition, any vegetable oil will also give workable results. In case of fragmentary or partial prints, we cannot do anything except looking for minimum numbers of 8 points. Superimposed prints are to be compared by using appropriate filters. Video spectral comparator VSC and Polyview are very useful in this regard. In the case of prints recorded on revenue stamps, comparison in ordinary light will not be possible. Red filter is to be used for photography and then a uniform print is available for comparison and marking.